Hello dear children, today we will start our lesson number 2, Computers in Everyday Life. Children, nowadays the usage of computer has grown very much. So in this chapter we will study about the different uses of computer in everyday's life. So now let us start our lesson. Computers play an important role in our everyday life. Most of the electronic gadgets we use such as television, refrigerator, microwave, smartphone, food processor and washing machine have computer in them. So most of the electronic gadgets are having computer in them such as television, refrigerator, microwave, smartphone, food processor, washing machine, etc. Different uses of computer. Computers have become a common sight these days. You can see them at many places being used for various purposes. Let us know about some areas where computers are commonly used. Now let us study about some areas where computers are commonly used. So at homes. So at homes we are using computer. So you can use computers to solve sums and read stories. We can use computers to solve our sums and read stories. You can entertain yourself by listening to music, watching movies and playing games on computer. So at home you can entertain yourself by listening to music, watching movies and playing games on computers. Or you can draw and color on computers to create beautiful pictures. You can also draw and color on computers to create beautiful pictures. So at home we are using the computers for this purpose. Now in hospitals we are using computers help us in diagnosing diseases and performing surgeries. So computer is helping us in recognizing of diseases and performing surgeries. Computers are used to keep records of patients and doctors. Computer is also used for keeping records of patients and doctors. Computers are used to prepare medical reports and bills, and it is also used for preparing medical reports and bills. Now in school we are using computers. So computers help in teaching and learning. Computers helping us in teaching and learning. As a smart class we are using computer only. Computers are used to keep records of students and teachers. Computer is also keeping the record of students as well as teachers. Computers are used to prepare timetables, assessment sheet and report cards. And for result also we are preparing the assessment sheet and report cards and all with the help of computer only. In offices, people use computers in offices for doing many official tasks. In offices, for performing official tasks, the people are using computer only. Computers are used to keep records of employees and customers. Computer is also used for keeping records of employees as well as customers. Computers are used to handle accounts of employees. Computer is also used for handling the accounts of employees. In banks, computers are used to deposit and withdraw money. In bank, we are using computer to deposit or withdraw our money. Bankers use computers to keep records of the details of customer accounts. And bankers use computer to keep the record of and detail of customer accounts. Computers also help to withdraw money from automatic teller machine. And in banks, computer is also helping for withdrawing money from automatic teller machine, that is the ATM. In shopping malls, bills for the items purchased by customers are generated with the help of computers. Children, when you are going to shopping, you can see that the bills are prepared for the customers with the help of computer only. So in shopping malls we are using the computer to prepare bills. Computers are used to keep records of stock, and it is also used for keeping record of our stock. Customers can use computers to check information about products, and also customers can use computers to check information about products. Now at railway station and airports, computers are used to display timings of arrival and departure of trains and flights. So at railway station and airports, computers are used for displaying time of arrival and departure of trains and flights. Computers are used for booking and cancellation of tickets, and computers are also used for booking and cancellation of tickets. Computers show directions and routes. This helps drivers and pilots to find their way, and the computer is also helping the drivers and pilots to find the way by showing directions and routes. In scientific research, scientists use computers to study data received from space. Scientists are using computers to study data they are receiving from the space. Computers are also used for launching satellites, and for launching satellites also we use computers. Computers are used for weather forecasting, and computers are also used for weather forecasting. And children, you should remember that you should not throw things around. Now but this chapter is finished. Hope you understand. Now let us recall our some keywords which we have used in this chapter. ATM. The term ATM stands for automatic teller machine. ATM is a machine which we use to withdraw money. Record. Detailed information stored on a computer that can be used in future. So record means the detailed information which we are storing in a computer which we can use in future. So now this chapter is finished. Hope you understand. Just complete the exercise from the PDF given along with this and try to learn that. Thank you.